Welcome friends, in this video tutorial we will learn how to insert text and how to format that text in your PowerPoint presentation. Now you know about how to create slides in our presentation and creating presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint 2007. So I have already entered some text into the PowerPoint presentation slide. So I want to now create a new slide. So slide name agenda, in which I want to enter some text like these: introduction, product and services, and break. So I'm writing introduction, product and services. Now see here, Microsoft PowerPoint is saying that the spelling is not correct. So to correct that spell, right click on that, correct that spelling. So spelling is corrected. Now I have entered some text into my PowerPoint presentation slide. So if I want to change this text style, then I can use my home ribbon and font options. This text slide is depend on themes because we have selected one theme called source style. So font style will be according to this theme, but I want to change my text styles. So select particular text to change style, and I want to create my text bold, italic. So it is changed. Now I want to also change my font families to Times New Roman. So it is changed. If you want to change the size of your text, then you can do this using this size option. So it is changed. Now to change the color of your text, this color option is used. If you want to set your color, then you can select color from this palette of color, or you can select more colors to choose your custom color by using drop down arrow. You can select your favorite color and apply it to your presentation. So here it will be displayed, and click on OK. So it is applied, but I am not going to apply this color. Now let's save this presentation. To save, press Ctrl S, give the name of the file and click on the save button. So presentation is saved. Now you can also give alignment to this text by using paragraph option. If I want to set alignment of this text to center, then I can use this center option. Right side justification or left side justification. So this way you can give various style to text, color to text, and various formats to text by using font and paragraph option provided by home ribbon in Microsoft PowerPoint 2007. Thank you.